தோழன் என் குடியிருந்த வீடும் கொடுத்த விழுத்தெய்வம் தேடியும் மள்ளி கொடுத்த அழகன் அறிவூட்டும் வெள்ளி விளக்கே விளக்கு
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இன்றைய குறள். முகநக நட்பது நட்பன்று நெஞ்சத்து அகநக நட்பது நட்பு. பொருள்: முகமட்டும் மலரும்படியாக நட்பு செய்வது நட்பன்று, நெஞ்சமும் மலரும்படியாக உள்ளன்பு கொண்டு நட்பு செய்வதே நட்பாகும். மீண்டும் குறள். முகநக நட்பது நட்பன்று நெஞ்சத்து அகநக நட்பது நட்பு. நன்றி.
Good morning to everybody. Today's thought: every day may be good, but there is something good in every day. Once again the thought: every day may be good, but that is something good in every day. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today's proverb: by nature all men are alike, but by education widely different. எல்லா மனிதரும் சமம், வேறுபடுத்துவது கல்வி மட்டுமே. பெண்ட் அ ட்விக் பெண்ட் அ ட்ரீ. ஐந்தில் வளையாது, ஐம்பதில் வளையாது. A friend in need is a friend indeed. ஆபத்தில் உதவும் நண்பனே உண்மையான நண்பன். Honesty is the best policy. நேர்மையே சிறந்த கொள்கை. A bad workman always blames his tools. ஆடத் தெரியாதவன் தெருக்கோணல் என்றானாம். An apple a day keeps the doctor away. தினமும் ஒரு ஆப்பிள் மருத்துவரை விலக்கி வைக்கும். Face is the index of the mind. அகத்தின் அளவு முகத்தில் தெரியும். தேங்க்யூ.
Good morning to all. I'm Hemant Ayuru from class 11. We all heard about the Tokyo Olympics 2020 in news, right? Today, I'll be sharing the basic information about Tokyo Olympics 2020. The games of 32nd Olympiad, which is branded as Tokyo 2020, is an upcoming international multi-sport event scheduled to be held from 23rd July to 8 August 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. It was originally scheduled to take place from 24 July to 9 August 2020. The event was postponed in March 2020 as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic and will be held largely behind closed doors with no public spectators permitted under the state of emergency announced by the government. Despite being rescheduled for 2021, the event retains the Tokyo 2020 name for marketing and branding purposes. This is the first time that the Olympic Games have been postponed and rescheduled rather than cancelled. The Tokyo was selected as a host city during the 125th IOC session in Buenos Aires in Argentina on 7th September 2013. The Tokyo Olympics, that is 2020, Games will mark the second time that Japan has hosted the Summer Olympic Games, the first being also in Tokyo in 1964, making this the first city in Asia to host the Summer Games twice. Overall, these will be the fourth Olympic Games held in Japan, which also hosted the Winter Olympics in 1972 and 1998. Tokyo was also scheduled to host the 1940 Summer Olympic but pulled out in 1938. The 2020 Games will be the second of three consecutive Olympics to be held in East Asia, the previous being in Pyeongchang, South Korea in 2018 and the next in Beijing, China in 2022. The motto of Tokyo 2020 is United by Emotion. Over 206 nations will be taking part in this event and 11,238 Plus, athletes will be participating in this event. The Japan National Stadium has been selected as the official stadium to be conducting the Tokyo 2020. The two official most mascots of the 2020 Summer Olympics and 2020 Summer Paralympics are Mirai Towa in the left, the blue color, and Somainiti in the right. The 2016 Summer Olympics, officially known as the Games of 31st Olympiad, commonly known as Rio 2016, were held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and Rio was announced as the host city at the 121st IOC session in Copenhagen, Denmark. The forthcoming international multi-sport event that is scheduled to take place from 26th July to 11th August 2024 in Paris, France, is known as the Games of 33rd Olympiad and commonly known as Paris 2024. There are still opposition coming from the local people of Japan to not conduct the Tokyo Olympics because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a great day.